Hello everyone. Let's talk about server memory. Specifically, the NEMIX RAM 256GB DDR5 kit. This isn't your average memory upgrade. It's a powerhouse designed for demanding server environments, like the Lenovo ThinkSystem SR680AV3. This kit packs a serious punch with 464GB DDR5 RDIMM modules, running at a blazing 5,600 MHz. That PC 5-44800 spec means it can handle a massive amount of data throughput, crucial for data-intensive applications and virtualized environments. The CL46 latency might seem high at first glance, but remember we're talking about registered ECC memory here. Error correction is paramount for server stability, and the RDIMM design ensures signal integrity even with all that memory crammed in. NEMIX RAM focuses on enterprise storage RAM, so they understand the needs of servers and workstations. They aren't just throwing together some chips, they're building memory solutions. The 1.1V operating voltage is also noteworthy, potentially leading to lower power consumption and reduced heat output compared to higher voltage alternatives. This is always a plus in a server environment where cooling is critical. Installation is generally straightforward. NEMIX RAM emphasizes the ease of upgrading memory, suggesting it can be done in minutes. Of course, always consult your server's manual for specific instructions. But the idea is that you shouldn't need to be a memory expert to get this up and running. What truly sets NEMIX RAM apart is their commitment to quality and support. They offer a lifetime replacement warranty, which speaks volumes about their confidence in their product. And they back it up with a seasoned IT support staff. This is invaluable if you run into any issues or have questions during the installation or operation. For anyone looking to maximize the performance and stability of their Lenovo ThinkSystem SR680AV3 server or similar enterprise-grade system, the NEMIX RAM 256GB DDR5 kit is definitely worth considering. It's a premium memory solution with the features and support to back it up. It could be the only RAM you will ever need.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.